Ever felt like accounting was a secret language that only a few select people know? It's like trying to read a textbook that's written in ancient hieroglyphs. Well, what if I told you there was a way to unlock that secret language, even if you've never balanced a checkbook in your life? Well, I'm happy to bring you today my Finance Nights publishing Accounting for Beginners all-in-one guide. This really is a good book. It simplifies the accounting process. And if you run a business, now that I've read a part of it, I don't know what I did before without it, because I'm going to go through and make a bunch of changes in my business now. So I'm really happy about getting this, and it was sent to me for the purpose of doing this review. So real happy about that. But this book is pretty amazing. It's written in clear, beginner-friendly language, super comprehensive. Even if you know nothing about accounting at all, the book starts out from scratch and it builds up gradually. It's written by the help of 6 professional accountants. So it's not just theory, it's real expert advice in this book. So you can be sure that this is practical and it's accurate. It's got a step-by-step learning structure. It starts out gradually. It doesn't throw you into complex topics right off the bat. It guides you clearly from the basics to the more complex. So you will learn the more complex as well, but it starts out basic. It's got real world applications. They give examples throughout the book of actual business scenarios. So that's real handy. And the exercises at the end of each chapter help you to practice the skills, and that burns it into your brain, because if you just read, you're creating lists in your mind and you're going to forget and not retain it, but you have to practice it. And so you can go through those practice sessions in the book. So I'm real happy about this. It's a great way to learn. It's got a well-designed layout. There's visuals along the way as well. They have diagrams and charts that help you to stay focused and absorbed along the way. And I can tell you that you would think it would be boring accounting. I've read a lot of it, but this book, I haven't been able to put it down the last couple days that I've had it. So I'm notating stuff though, because I have to make a lot of changes in my own business. If you have different income streams coming into your business, as most do, this will help you keep track of that. For example, if we go into the book, I like it how it breaks down a real business scenario. So listen to this. It says a cafe owner wants to track sales of coffee separately from pastries. He wants to see what his coffee revenue is as opposed to his pastries. For example, if you want to know how profitable the pastries are, you can use a classification on the expense related to making pastries specifically. So you keep track of those earnings. And so then you know what to double down on or what to get a better deal on for your cost of goods. So it's really gets you thinking down the right road. And this book literally can save you money in your business and find money that maybe you don't know that you're wasting. It also talks about the different revenue accounts. You've got service income, interest income, royalty income, other revenue. And so you can keep track of those and really know your numbers. And it's so important to know your number. And so this book is going to help you with that. It's going to help bookkeepers, it's going to help accountants, and they can be closely related, but they are 2 different jobs. And so it breaks down that. I had no idea. What I like too is it gives you the practice questions over here, and then it gives you the answers over here, so you can check your work. And so we all know that's handy to know. So definitely highly recommend this book, Accounting for Beginners all-in-one. This is a must-have for a business. This book literally could save you a lot of money. And so it's well worth it. And so really happy about it. And I hope this review helps you.